Hey everyone, welcome back to UiPath tutorials. Today I'm going to talk about how to use a date, how we can find the date difference in the link query. So I have this data here with the two columns, surname and the logon. So what I want is I want the date difference from the from current date. For example, it's 6/18 2019, and the date is 10/08. So what I want a difference of this date, and that should be comes into the new column known as a date difference. So if you see for Manoj, the last logon is this, and what I want is the difference in this way. So it's a 53rd rate difference from the date of 1806 to today's date. Now for others also, it's we can just both will do the similar thing. So for example, you have a thousand of records in the Excel, so you cannot do the iteration there. This will take a lot of time. So So to save your time, we can directly use the link. It's a single line expression, and it will going to give the result uh, much more faster than using the iteration. Going to the UI path, just reading the sheet 1, putting it into the DT sheet 1 as output. Now using the build data table, so this is the activity, and you can create the new column from here, giving the name and select the data type. So I've already created three: surname, date, and the difference. So this column I created as I am going to put here the difference of the dates. Now DT sheet 2, so that we have already created here as output of build data table. At the right side there is a query here, you can see. Yes, so from in DT sheet 1 as enumerable is alias here, alias, then where we are going to check. So so what I want, the difference what will coming, it should be always be greater than 1. You can give the condition whatever you want. If you want that it should be greater than 30, it should be less than, oh, so it depend upon your requirement. So I have just given here greater than 1. So this is the syntax where we're going to subtract the date from the current date and the data that is coming from the from the column last log on. Now I'm going to select the DT sheet 2 dot load data row. I'm loading this data into the sheet 2. So this is nothing, just I'm selecting the surname, a dot fields, last log on I'm selecting, and I want the difference of date. I'm using the syntax date dot na dot subtract. So this will have to help me to subtract the the date that is the current date and the date that is coming from the Excel file. So you can see we will get this result. We will get this result last log on into the difference that we have created in the build data table. Now then what we're doing is copying this to data table. I'm, now I have the result in the DT sheet 2. I'm putting this into the Excel sheet 2 with the help of right range. You can pass DT sheet 2 here, give the address from where you want the record should be printed, A1. Now if you just remove this sheet 2 data, and if you just run the bot, you will find the bot will give the date difference here. See, so for Manoj it's 53, the date difference. If I'll change this to, let me change this to 08 08. Now let me run the bot again, and we can check what exactly the result will be now. So it's a 2-date difference. So you can see it's just it's giving a difference of the current date and the date that is that you have in the Excel. So in this way you can just do the things, and I hope you will not going to use the iteration now because you have the better solution. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.